We are CCC Bionics. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Chris.
This is going to be a short video explaining the new project we've been working on. The idea for this came from a project that we've been set, where changing input has to go through a control unit and then drive an output. As you can see, our hand uses a sensor that will attach to the arm and then be driven by a motor in order to clench the hand and thumb.
We use a 3D printing technology to print our prosthetic. Basically, it allows us to do the work faster and then reach those who are in need. After printing the prosthetic, we use 3 motors on our hand that are driven by a signal that comes from the mask of the patient. As 3D printing is a technology which is quite cheap, we know that the prosthetic that we are making will be quite cheap and affordable for those who have this problem.
The problem with the current system used in order to give those prosthetics that are in need of them is that it can take multiple consultations and end up taking months before they get their new limb. For example, in Operation Herrick in Afghanistan, 1,787 servicemen and women had extreme injuries to their upper limbs. This must be a massively traumatic time, and we at CCC Bionics want to provide fast, good-fitting prosthetics in order to help them through this emotionally traumatic time.
Our goal is to make this technology accessible for those who need in a quick and fast way and comfortable way as well.
At the moment, our project is just in prototyping phase, but you can help us by visiting our GoFundMe page and donating in order to help provide more research and development in this area.